Hi, my name's Tom Rose, and I own the Nordland Store on Marrowstone Island with my wife Sue. Tractor Days, it's something that's just evolved, and it's gotten bigger and bigger every year. A friend of ours on the island was going to jail, needed money. He just restored this tractor. It was an Allis-Chalmers, 1940 Allis-Chalmers. They needed bail money, and so Pat and Greg and I put our money together and bought Alice. We brought Alice down the store. First couple of years, it was mostly lawnmowers, and then it got to be bigger and then bigger and bigger. I mean, everybody's happy at Tractor Days. You know, something about seeing a tractor just makes, especially the guys, they just kind of go right to the tractors and they just can't get enough of them. And there's no way I can quit now. I mean, there's no way.